Hello student. Today we start the preparation of halogen derivative under the topic halogen derivative. So halogen derivative can be prepared in number of ways. So some methods are mentioned here on a board, among which first from alcohol. From alcohol we have three methods. From alcohol by the action of halo acid, that is HCl, HBr and HI. From alcohol by the action of phosphorus halide, means phosphorus trihalide, PCl3, PBr3, Pi3, or phosphorus pentahalide such as PCl5. And third important method, from alcohol we can prepare the alkyl halide or haloalkanes by the action of SOCl2 thionyl chloride. Such a reaction named as Dargent reaction. So in all we have three methods for preparation of haloalkanes from alcohol. Now second method, from alkene, which we already studied in 11th class. We can prepare the alkyl halide from alkene by the action of halo acid such as HCl, HBr and HI by using Markovnikov's rule, and second by using anti-Markovnikov's rule by the action of HBr. Means we can prepare alkyl halide from alkene by Markovnikov's and anti-Markovnikov's rule. Third important method, from alkane by the halogenation reaction, which include chlorination, bromination and avenation. Next method, from benzene by the halogenation reaction, which include chlorination, bromination and avenation. And the last method for preparation of halogen derivative by the halogen exchange reaction. This is new part included in your syllabus. That halogen exchange reaction include two named reaction, that is Wilkenstein reaction and salt reaction. So we can start our preparation of halogen derivative of alkane and aryl halide by following methods, that is from alcohol. From alcohol, and which first method, from alcohol by the action of halo acids. Okay, let us start preparation of haloalkane from alcohol. From alcohol by using halo acid. Which is the halo acid? Halo acids are represented by HX, hydrogen halide, which may be HCl, HBr and HI, which may be HCl, HBr and HI. So we start the preparation of what haloalkane by using first action of HCl. First action of HCl, that is Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. What is Lucas reagent? The question number of times asked in the Maharashtra CET examination. What is Lucas reagent? It is the concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2 which act as a catalyst. Now see the reaction. So alcohol represented ROH. We added here Lucas reagent HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 and just heated it. This is concentrated HCl. So this is substitution reaction. From this we can break this RO bond, and from this HCl take an H. So what losses from this side? From HCl we can lose H, and from alcohol we can lose OH. So H2O removed, and here the chlorine can substitute this OH group. So product is RCl, and here from OH and H, H2O. So by this substitution reaction, we can obtain alkyl chloride from alcohol. Alkyl chloride from alcohol by the action of what? Lucas reagent. So let me consider this reaction for primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Example, primary alcohol. CS3, CS2, OH. This is called as ethyl alcohol, and we added HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. So from this alcohol, that is which is a primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol, it is a primary alcohol because OH group is attached to primary carbon here. What is primary carbon? The carbon to which only one carbon is attached. So it is primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol. So from this ethyl alcohol we lost OH, and from HCl H. Then we have total H2O loss from this reaction, and OH group is substituted by chlorine. So product is CS3, CS2, Cl plus H2O. So ethyl alcohol converted into the ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Now second example, secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. We have the secondary alcohol CH3, CH, OH, CS3. CH3, CH, OH, CS3. Why this called as secondary alcohol? Because our hydroxyl group attached to secondary carbon here, and then we treated it a Lucas reagent, concentrated HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, which act as a Lewis acid as well as catalyst. So from this alcohol, the name of this alcohol is isopropyl alcohol. So from this isopropyl alcohol, OH is lost, and from HCl H combined to form H2O, and this OH is replaced by this chlorine group. So product is CH3, CH, Cl, CH3 plus H2O. From secondary alcohol, we can prepare secondary propyl chloride. Secondary propyl chloride. Now third alcohol, that is tertiary alcohol. Now tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. Let us take the example of tertiary alcohol CH3, C, CH3, CH3, OH. This is called tertiary butyl alcohol because this carbon is a tertiary to which our functional group OH is attached. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. Just add concentrated HCl. Need not to be add Lucas reagent catalyst, that is anhydrous ZnCl2. Need not to be used anhydrous ZnCl2, just add concentrated HCl. Then from this we lost the OH, and from hydrochloric acid H. So in all we losses H2O in this reaction, and OH group is substituted by this chlorine. So product is CH3, C, CH3, CH3, Cl plus H2O. So what forming tertiary butyl chloride from tertiary butyl alcohol? This is tertiary butyl chloride. So in this way we can prepare from alcohol to alkyl chloride by using Lucas reagent. So what is correct order of reactivity of this primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol with the Lucas reagent? Correct order of reactivity of alcohol with Lucas reagent. Here tertiary alcohol react faster than secondary alcohol, react faster than primary alcohol, react faster than methyl alcohol. So that is correct order of reactivity of alcohol with Lucas reagent. Here a primary alcohol when react with Lucas reagent forming a precipitate or use cloudiness within half hour means alcohol react with Lucas reagent and gives the formation of alkyl chloride within half hour, that is a primary alcohol. Now take on secondary alcohol RCHOH, this is secondary alcohol. When treated with Lucas reagent use cloudiness within few minutes. And tertiary alcohol RCRROH, tertiary alcohol, Lucas reagent with the Lucas reagent gives cloudiness within a second. Means tertiary alcohol react faster than secondary and secondary react faster than primary and gives alkyl chloride. So in this way, by using Lucas reagent we can convert our alcohol to alkyl chloride. Now second, by the action of HBr, from alcohol we can prepare alkyl bromide by the action of HBr. The general reaction is alcohol when treated with a mixture of sodium bromide plus concentrated H2SO4, sodium bromide plus concentrated H2SO4. Here sodium bromide 2 times, react with H2SO4 1 times, use twice of HBr plus Na2SO4, that is forming HBr. So we taken here the reagent HBr. So by substitution reaction, from alcohol losses the OH and from HBr H. So in all we losses the H2O from alcohol and HBr, and this OH group is substituted by this bromine, forming RBr plus H2O. So alcohol is converted to the alkyl bromide by the action of HBr, which can be prepared by using NaBr and concentrated H2SO4. Take some example here. Suppose we have ethyl alcohol. Now treated with NaBr plus concentrated H2SO4. So we use HBr. Now this OH group is replaced by H, and OH group is substituted from alcohol by Br and forming CS3 CS2 Br plus H2. It means that ethyl alcohol converted into ethyl bromide by using NaBr plus concentrated H2SO4. Take one more example for our convenience. We have this alcohol. This is called cyclohexyl alcohol. Cyclohexyl alcohol. Now treated with NaBr plus concentrated H2SO4. So we have HBr. From this alcohol we can lose the OH, and from HBr H. Since it is substitution reaction, OH group is replaced by bromine, forming haloalkane. Here Br plus H2, forming cyclohexyl bromide. Cyclohexyl bromide. So in this way, from alcohol we can convert alcohol by using HBr. We can convert alcohol to alkyl bromide. The reagent is NaBr plus concentrated H2SO4. Now next reaction, that is action of HI, which is the next halo acid. Third, action of HI, hydrogen iodide. It is prepared in situ condition. It should prepared freshly for the reaction to convert alcohol to alkyl iodide. So our alcohol treated with sodium iodide plus 95% S3PO4 phosphoric acid. Sodium iodide when treated with 95% phosphoric acid, so this NaI react with S3PO4 forming HI, freshly prepared hydrogen iodide. And now substitution reaction occur between alcohol and this hydrogen iodide. From alcohol OH is lost, and from hydrogen iodide H is lost. So total H2O lost during this reaction and forming H2O. And this OH group now substituted by this alkyl group, so forming alkyl iodide. So this method is used to convert alcohol to alkyl iodide by the action of NaI plus 95% H2SO4. Take an example, any alcohol. We taken here ethyl alcohol, CS3, CS2, OH, and then added a mixture of NaI plus 95% S3PO4. 95% S3PO4. So use HI. This is specially prepared by the action of NaI plus S3PO4. So from alcohol we can lose OH, and from HI loss H. So total H2O lost from this reaction, and the OH group is substituted by iodine. So our product is CS3 CS2I plus H2O, forming ethyl iodide from alcohol. So this is the first method from which we can prepare alkyl chloride by the action of Lucas reagent, that is HCl. Then alkyl bromide from alcohol by the action of HBr, which can be prepared by the mixing of NaBr and concentrated H2SO4. And third, alcohol to alkyl iodide, last method, this one, by the action of NaI plus 95% H3PO4. So in this way, from alcohol we can prepare alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. This is the first method from which we can prepare the alkyl halide from alcohol. Now second method, from alcohol by using phosphorus trihalide, that is PCl3, PBr3 and PI3, as well as phosphorus pentahalide such as phosphorus pentachloride. So let us start the preparation of alcohol to alkyl chloride by using PCl3. By using PCl3. Let us take a general example, general reaction. ROH plus phosphorus trichloride. This can be prepared in situ condition from red phosphorus plus chlorine. So red phosphorus plus chlorine use what? Phosphorus trichloride. How it is? Phosphorus is a tetraatomic, react with 6 times of chlorine and forming 4 times of PCl3. So in this way, from phosphorus and chlorine we can prepare the phosphorus trichloride. So by reaction with the phosphorus trichloride, our alcohol taken 3 times. So ratio of alcohol to phosphorus trichloride is 3:1. So what is the reaction? It is substitution type of reaction. From alcohol, you can written here ROH, 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 3 alcohol, and our PCl3 1 time. Cl, Cl, Cl. We can replace this OH by this chlorine, this OH by this chlorine, and this OH group by this chlorine. And this all 3 OH associated with the phosphorus after the reaction. So what is the product? 3 times of alkyl chloride, RCl, 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 and remaining 3 OH with phosphorus, POH thrice. This is written as H3PO3, called as phosphorus acid. So simply by the substitution reaction, our alcohol converted into the alkyl chloride by the action of PCl3. By the action of PCl3. Similarly, we can prepare alkyl bromide. Alkyl bromide from alcohol. Alcohol to alkyl bromide by using PBr3. PBr3. So again the same reaction applies PCl3, alcohol plus PBr3, which is prepared by the reaction of phosphorus plus Br2 heating. So how many times of alcohol taken? Just similar to this reaction, 3 times, and 3 times of OH replaced by 3 bromine. So forming thrice of RBr plus byproduct is same H3PO3, phosphorus acid. So in this way, alcohol is converted into the alkyl bromide. Alcohol is converted into the alkyl bromide. Similarly, we can prepare alcohol to alkyl iodide. Alcohol to alkyl iodide by the same reaction. Alcohol treated with phosphorus triiodide by the reaction of phosphorus plus I2, by the reaction of phosphorus plus I2, we have Pi3, and this phosphorus triiodide react with 3 times of alcohol, 3 times of alcohol, just similar to above 2 reaction. We have the product substitution reaction. These 3 alcohol OH group replaced by 3 iodine from phosphorus triiodide and forming 3 times of Ri plus same byproduct PH3PO3 phosphorus acid. So in this way we can prepare alcohol to alkyl chloride, alcohol to alkyl bromide, alcohol to alkyl iodide. Now take an example of each kind. What you will see here, let us take cyclohexyl alcohol. You can take any example of alcohol. Now treated it with phosphorus plus chlorine, so we have PCl3. So alcohol taken how many times? 3 times. So similar to this reaction, what you have seen previously on the board, we have to replace this 3 OH group by 3 chlorine atom by substitution reaction. So we have cyclohexyl as it is here chlorine. How many times? 3 times. And 3 OH group goes to the phosphorus and forming SdPO3. So forming cyclohexyl alcohol to cyclohexyl chloride. Likewise, we can convert cyclohexyl alcohol to cyclohexyl bromide. Phosphorus plus Br2, phosphorus plus Br2, it gives PBr3. Since there PBr3, we have to use alcohol 3 times. 3 times of alcohol. Now 3 alcoholic group from 3 cyclohexyl alcohol replaced by 3 Br from PBr3 by the substitution reaction, and we have our product here Br. How many times? 3 times plus S3PO3. So 3 OH group replaced by 3 Br and forming cyclohexyl bromide. Likewise, we can prepare cyclohexyl iodide, cyclohexyl alcohol, react with phosphorus plus I2, hitting, it gives Pi3. So, since Pi3 is formed, our alcohol uses 3 times. Again, substitution reactions occur. 3 OH group is replaced by 3 iodine and forming 3 times of cyclohexyl iodide, and byproduct is the same and one, S3PO3. So from alcohol, by using phosphorus trihalide PCl3, PBr3 and Pi3, we can convert alcohol to alkyl chloride, alcohol to alkyl bromide and alcohol to alkyl iodide. This is one of the important method for preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. Now next, preparation of alkyl chloride or halogen derivative of alkane from phosphorus pentahalide. Phosphorus pentahalide, that is from PCl5 by using PCl5. This is OR method to PCl3. This is OR method to PCl3. So what important here in this reaction, alcohol is treated with phosphorus pentachloride and just heat it. Just heat it. So how we convert the alkyl chloride? So see the reaction, ROH plus PCl, Cl. So from this alcohol first loses the H with the chlorine and forming HCl. So byproduct form is HCl. Now second, this alkyl combined with the chlorine, alkyl combined with the chlorine and forming alkyl chloride And what remains now? One oxygen and PCl3. One oxygen and PCl3 that combine to form phosphorus oxychloride. Phosphorus oxychloride. So alcohol react with PCl5 in 1:1 ratio and forming alkyl chloride, phosphorus trichloride and hydrochloric acid. Let us take an example of this kind. We take a CS3, CS2, OH, ethyl alcohol. Now treated with phosphorus pentachloride. So what is the expected product according to you? Expected product just like this general reaction we have CS3, CS2, Cl, then forming byproduct POCl3 plus HCl. So you can convert alcohol to ethyl chloride, alcohol to alkyl chloride by using PCl5. At that time the ratio of alcohol and PCl5 is 1:1. We remember that. And whenever you can convert alcohol to alkyl chloride by using PCl3, the ratio of alcohol to PCl3 is 3:1. Is 3:1. One should remember that. Take another example. Cyclohexyl alcohol. Now treated with PCl5. What is the product? The simplest substitution reaction like this. Ratio is 1:1. Product is cyclohexyl chloride plus POCl3 plus HCl. So cyclohexyl alcohol to cyclohexyl chloride by using PCl5. Here alcohol taken 1:2 and PCl taken 1 time. So ratio is 1:1 time. Finished. By using alcohol we can convert alcohol to, by using PCl5 we can convert alcohol to alkyl chloride. This is one of the important methods. Now last method, from alcohol we can prepare alkyl chloride. Last method, from alcohol can convert by using SOCl2 and pyridine. SOCl2 and pyridine. Alcohol is converted into alkyl chloride. This reaction is called as Darson reaction. This reaction is called as a Darson reaction. So what is the reaction? Look at alcohol treated with SOCl2 in presence of pyridine as a base to neutralize the excess of acid formed in this reaction. So this is SNI kind of reaction, intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. What done in this reaction? ROH plus S double bond O Cl Cl. From alcohol first losses the H and from SOCl to Cl. So first losses HCl. Writing here HCl plus. Now this oxygen goes with SO, forming another byproduct, gaseous byproduct, that is sulfur dioxide. What remains now? This alkyl group is with the chlorine, so forming alkyl chloride. So in this method, alcohol is converted into the alkyl chloride by nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now consider the example of this. Alcohol is converted into the alkyl chloride by Darson reaction, that is by the action of thionyl chloride. By the action of thionyl chloride, let us take example CS3, CS2, OH. Treated with SOCl2 in presence of pyridine. in presence of pyridine. So what will be the expected product? So from this reaction, CSD, CS2, OH, S double bond of Cl, Cl. So from this side we can loss H and from this Cl. So forming HCl. Then here O and from this side SO. Forming a byproduct SO2. And from remaining is alkyl group and remaining chlorine combined to form ethyl chloride. So ethyl alcohol is converted to ethyl chloride by the Darjan reaction. See one more example. Cyclohexanol, that is cyclohexyl alcohol plus SOCl2 in presence of pyridine. Hit it. Carried out the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Just similar to our two example, we have cyclohexyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl. So by this reaction we can convert our alcohol to alkyl chloride. What interesting fact in this preparation from alcohol to alkyl halide, we have in all four methods to convert alcohol to alkyl chloride. We already seen that number one, alcohol plus Lucas reagent concentrated HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. What gives? Alkyl chloride plus H2O. Second method, alcohol plus PCl3, which is prepared by using red phosphorus plus I2, 3:1 ratio, forming alkyl chloride 3 times plus SdPO3 phosphorus acid. One more method, alcohol treated with PCl5 in presence and heating 1:1 ratio, alkyl chloride plus TOCl3 plus HCl. And one more method, that is last method, Darjan reaction. Alcohol react with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine. So product is alkyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl. In all, from alcohol to alkyl chloride, we have four methods we concluded in this lecture. But question is asked for the number of competitive examination, including JEE, NEET, Maharashtra City and other state examination, competitive examination. So what that question? To convert alcohol to alkyl chloride, which of the following is the best method? Whether using the Lucas reagent, whether by using the PCl3, whether by using the PCl5 or by using the SOCl2 or Darjan reaction. The most probable answer, most correct answer is 4, that is Darjan reaction. Because in all reaction, byproduct is mixed with the product alkyl chloride. But in last reaction, the byproduct form SO2, which is the gas, and second is HCl, which is also gas. Both escape out. What remains purely alkyl chloride. If excess of chlorine remains here, which can be neutralized by the pyridine. Hence, to convert alcohol to alkyl chloride, best method is what? By the action of SOCl2, that is Darjan reaction. Thank you.